zip up jeans in the forest.
Okay, here.
You want to do one?
Okay, so I got my pink hoodie from Pink. These are from Temu. And then...
You know.
Oh. Goodbye. Well, everybody took off without us, so... Here we go. We're on the boardwalk, though, because the restaurant's on the boardwalk, so... Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in... I think I want the pasta.
Yeah, cha-cha cherry icy or blue raspberry icy, or you can just get juice or soda. What do you want to put in? They have Coke.
What are you having? Rio, what are you having? What are your first impressions?
Tastes pretty good, yeah. It's like, did you show them around?
Yeah.
It's like real creative. And the food seems like it's going to be good too. They got these drinks, these alcoholic looking, non-alcoholic drinks. I'm going to go with the swimming hole.
I think I might do rainforest breaking.
No, she ain't.
Yes, I am.
Decide between three.
And then it's Jackson's birthday, so everybody tell him happy birthday. Jackson, say happy birthday.
Where does it say anything about Rob?
I'm just kidding. It's your birthday, silly. Look at the details.
Making that noise?
In the table. Okay guys, so now me and Brio went to the bathroom. What's your review? How do you feel?
After I ate that up, that's a 10.
Yeah, so pretty fun. It's pretty nice. I mean, this mirror is the cleanest mirror I think I've ever seen.
Especially in a public restroom.
Literally. So yeah, we're having fun. I have to pee. I'll be back.
Stop!
Go ahead, fit check.
Birthday gift, you know. Under Armour pink Jordans.
Okay.
Christmas, you know, Michael Kors.
Where'd it come from?
Lucas and Haley, because they're just like
Top tier. She forgot the ring.
it's from Time After Time or something in the mall.
Alright.
It's a bit of a brand.
No, it's what
Aftermath.
I got mac and cheese.